This exercise 16a. I am going to solve question number 7. What must be added to 10a square b plus 8a square b minus 8 cube b cube minus b to the power 4 to get 5a square b minus 6a square b minus 7a cube b cube. Here given what must be added. Suppose you have to take any one number, let on k. Let the added number be k. I am taking this k number is unknown variable. We have to find what added means. Added number will be what? I am taking k. Okay, k. Now you have to add this number with, then you get this one 10 according to question q 10 a square b plus 8 a b square minus 8 cube b cube minus b to the power 4. You have to add k. Then we get the term will be 7a cube b cube. 7a cube b cube. Suppose I am taking the k is here unknown variable. What must be added? The added number will be k. So this term with you add k, then you get the equal 5a square b minus 6a square b minus 7a cube b cube. Okay. Now from here you find the k value. From here k is equal to 5a square b minus 6a b square minus 7a cube b cube. And this term you take this side, right hand side to what? Right hand side. There left hand side you here you give the common whole, give the whole, and this plus sign will be transferred this side. Transformation of the equation here plus. Okay, if you change the plus will be this side. If you change the plus will be change minus. You can write here minus 10a square b plus 8ab square minus 8 cube b cube minus b to the power 4. Okay, this is just I am changing this side. Plus will be minus. Okay. Now what you remove the bracket. Okay, this one minus with multiply all term. Understood? You multiply with minus, this minus plus minus, this minus plus minus, minus and plus, this one plus minus will be plus. Understood? 5a square b 6a b square minus 7a cube b cube minus 10 a square b minus this plus will be minus 8 b square, this minus will be plus 8 a cube b cube, and minus this minus will be plus b to the power 4. Okay. Now you arrange the like term, which is like same term, similar term, a square 5a square b here. A square term is a square b. You see the variable a and b here, a and b. Therefore you can arrange these two terms in same place. You can arrange these two terms in the same place. Your power how much? Square. Your power how much? Square. 5a square b minus 10 a square b. Now you see that again another like term a b square here. A b square, this a b square, 6 a b square. Another like term is 8 a b square. Now you have to search cube term, cube. I am given first thing this one same like term. Look, 7 a cube b cube. Okay, and here 8 a cube b cube, 7 a cube b cube, and here plus 8 a cube b cube, and plus what number? B to the power. Last number is here. Other unlike term is b to the power 4. Is not same other this term. If you only single this term, you can write only b to the power 4 only. Now here plus 5. Okay. Here minus how much? 10. Then how much? My plus 5, and this one minus how much? 10. Then how much? Say how much? Minus how much? 5. 10. Not understood. 5 minus 10. Then how much? Minus 5. So you write minus 5 a square b. And this one how much? Minus 6. They are minus 8. They are minus 6. They are minus how much? 8. How much? Minus how much? Minus 6 minus 8 how much? Minus 14. This minus 14. Okay. This 6, 8 and how much? Minus 14 ab square. And after this one how much? Look. Plus 8. Plus 8 minus 7. How much? Plus 8 minus 7 how much? 1 only. Plus 1 what? 1. 1. 1 we can say only here 1, no? You can write a cube b cube. And last term is b to the power how much? 4. Our answer is this one. Then k value, we got the k value here. We get k value is if the term 5a square b 14ab square plus a cube b cube plus b to the power 4, then you get this term. Okay. Like once again I explain. Let the number bk. Then according to question you have to add this with. Then you get this number. What must be added to 10a square b plus 8b square minus 8a cube b cube b to the power 4 to get 5a square b minus 6ab square minus 7a cube b cube. Let the number be k. Added number be k. Then you have to add with k. Okay. This number you add the k. Understood? And k. Then we get 5a square b 6ab square 7a cube b cube. Now this term you get this term you take this side. Transformation of the equation. Okay. Transformation means what? Taking its left hand side is taking right hand side. Okay. And this will be same 5ab square 6ab square 7a cube b cube same. You are taking plus. You are plus in, so here minus. Okay. I'm changing this side. Plus will be changed minus. Okay. Now minus, this minus plus will be minus. This minus plus will be minus. The minus, this sign minus will be plus. Understood? And this minus will be plus. Now you arrange the like term. Okay. Similar term. Like term means similar term. And 5a square b, you charge the 5a square b term. 5a square, like the power will be same. Okay. And variable will be same. A square b. You can write this same place, these two term. Okay. 5a square b and 10a square b, same place. And 6ab square minus 8b square. Okay. And 7a cube 8ab 8 cube b cube. Okay. And last term is b to the power 4. Now 5 minus 10 how much? 5 minus 10, 5 minus 6 minus 8 minus 14. Okay. Minus 6 minus 8 how much? Minus 14. Here a cube, which one a cube? 8 minus 7 how much? 1. 8 minus 7 how much? 1. Then we can say here 1. But variable is a cube b cube. Okay. And b to the power 4 will be same. Question number 8. What must be subtracted from 8x cube plus 7x square y minus 3xy square minus 1 to get 7xy square minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 5x cube. Solution. Let the subtract number be. Let the subtract number be k, and subtract from saying this one 8x cube plus 7x square y minus 3x square y minus y. You have to write first. Which one subtract from? You have to write. According to question, 8x cube plus 7x square y 3xy square minus y. First you write this term, okay, and subtract. What must be subtract? You k you have to subtract, okay. Then you get this term is equal to 7xy square minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 5x cube is equal to 7xy square minus y cube 3x square y plus 5x cube. You have to write this term, okay. Now 5x cube. Now you find the k value from here. Now k will be changed this side. Minus. You take the k, this minus k, you take this side. Minus will be plus, and this term will take this side. You will bring this term will be in left hand side, and this k value will be take right hand side. Minus will be plus. Okay, and this one plus, you will give a bracket or whole. Here plus, you bring minus. Okay. Now 8x cube plus 7x square y 3xy square minus y, and this minus 7, this term I am taking this side, okay. There plus I am bringing here, and plus will be changing here, minus 7xy square minus y cube 3x square y, and plus what number 5x is x cube, and this y minus k minus y minus k. I am writing this one, minus k will be k will be taking left to right, minus will be changes plus, there plus k, okay. Now you subtract this term, okay. First you arrange the like term before that you remove the bracket, okay. First remove the bracket, 8x cube and x cube term, x cube where? There minus, here plus, minus plus minus, the x cube term, like term is 8x cube with, you can write 5x cube, okay, together. This here minus, there plus will be minus 5x cube, and 7x square y plus 7x square y, this like term with this one, x square y, this one like term, here minus, here minus, okay. This minus will be changed plus, you can write a plus, and 3x square y. Now xy square term minus 3x y square term, this minus plus minus 7 xy square, okay. And the y term, there was no y term, so you write separate this y, and this minus y cube, no like term with y cube, so you write separate minus plus y cube. Here y only. Now it's equal to here. Now 8 minus 5 how much? 8 minus 5 how much? Say 8 minus 5 how much? 3. 8 minus 5 how much? 3x cube. And this one how much? The plus 7. We have plus 3 how much? Huh? 7 plus 3 10. 10x square y. And this one minus 3 minus 7 how much?
Plus 10.
Minus 10 x y square. And here how much? Minus y plus y cube is equal to k. Question number 9. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose adjacent sides are 3x minus 5y minus 4z and x minus 3y plus 5z. Suppose A, B, C, D is the rectangle. There are two adjacent sides is given. These two adjacent sides of rectangle is given in question. Suppose this one length 3x minus 5 4z. This length, this one breadth. 4x minus 3y plus 5z. And this ABCD be rectangle. And this one, two adjacent side is given in question. We know that the perimeter P means perimeter of rectangle. Okay, this perimeter means perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus B. Suppose L1 this one, B will be this one. Now, therefore, the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus B. I am taking this L will be 3x minus 5y plus minus 4z and plus B how much? X minus 3y plus 5z. Okay, understood? This one L, this L value, this one B. Okay. Now first you add these two terms within bracket. Okay. First what you will do? This one add the point, these two terms, like term. 3x and x how much? 3x and x how much? 4x. 3 plus 1 4 and minus 5 minus 3 how much? Minus 8. Understood? This minus 5 minus 2 how much? Minus 8. And yes, this one 4 minus 4 plus 5 how much? Plus 5 plus 5 minus 4 how much? Minus plus 1 z only. Now multiply these two. 2 is multiply all term. Okay, 2 into 4, 2 4 is 8. Okay, 2 8 is how much? 16. 2 into z 2z. Our answer is this one. Right.